Welcome to Backroads DIY. We are about 2 weeks later after our last video where we stocked some bluegill, red ear sunfish, and minnows, and now our order from Sportfish Direct has arrived, and here we have 200 Coppernose Bluegill. So we're going to open this up. This just arrived about a half an hour ago from FedEx. It was overnighted. It was actually a little late, but that's not a Sportfish Direct problem. That was FedEx. FedEx seems to always kind of be late. So we're gonna open this up here, see what it looks like. And it is, of course, actively raining. We just got back from being out of town for a week. Well, Sportfish Direct ships on Fridays, so this worked out well as we got back late last night. And this was just delivered. So we're gonna cut this open. Here, take a peek. Here, buddy, got my son here with me helping me out. If you wouldn't mind holding that while I open this up. Trying to cut the bag. Alright, I see fish. Let's see if we can get it out of here. A little bit of air in it. A couple floaters. Let's get these guys in here. So it is only about 75 degrees out here right now. So the instructions say to let them acclimate for 3 to 5 minutes. So we're gonna let these sit here. It looks like in the package here was a ice pack, keep them cool, bubble wrap, and then we've got the fish in here. So we're gonna let them sit here for a couple minutes. Pond, if you watched the last video, pond is definitely up. They rained quite a bit while we were out of town. It looks like another maybe 1.5 feet for it to go until it kind of covers those branches there. Grasses, or weeds I should say, not really grass, are coming in really thick all the way around, helping with the runoff, but I'm gonna have to come and mow or bush hog or weed eat some of these weeds at some point so we can still get around it. We'll let these sit here for a couple minutes and we'll come back before we dump them in. Alright, we got our fish here, get ready to dump them out. Go ahead and just grab the corner, make sure we go slow so we can make sure we get them all out. Go ahead. Check the bag, make sure they're all gone. Again, just like our last fish stocking, we have extremely dirty water because of the rain. But are they all clear? All done? We all the fish, they dispersed. Got a little floater. I got one right here who's thinking about it. He's not too sure. There's one right there. Yeah, this little guy who's floating, but he did just swim over this way a little bit. He may not make it, but I think that's the only. Oh, he's trying to. Nope, he's flipping over. There's another one right there too. For them being shipped from Arkansas to Indiana, making trips into Memphis and Louisville and all the way here. I was very surprised and impressed with how little loss we have, if any. We'll have to see if these make it or not, but maybe 1 or 2 out of 200. Definitely not bad. But just a quick video. Just wanted to kind of show what it looks like getting the fish shipped from Sportfish Direct. I'll put a link to their website. This is not sponsored or anything. I paid for these fish. It was $269 for 200 fish. That was shipping included, which I think is a fair price, especially given what I pay for just a regular native bluegill here in my area. But appreciate you watching. Thank you.